Today, let's dive into a discussion about the top 3 fruits that can supercharge your breakfast and give your kidneys a refreshing detox. But wait, there's more! We'll also unveil 8 additional fruits that are essential for keeping your kidneys healthy. Stick around till the end of the video because I've got some valuable insights to share with you. Our kidneys are like silent superheroes, always working hard to keep our bodies clean by getting rid of the bad stuff. Just like we take care of our skin, it's important to show our kidneys some love too, especially with the foods we eat in the morning. So, without further ado, let's check out the top 3 fruits you should munch on during breakfast to kickstart your kidney cleansing journey. Starting off at number 3, we've got the mighty blueberries. These little guys might be small, but they're jam-packed with all sorts of good stuff. Their vibrant color comes from antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight off bad stuff in your body and reduce inflammation, which can be a problem for your kidneys. Blueberries also have lots of vitamin C to boost your immune system and manganese to keep your enzymes happy. Together, these goodies help keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Plus, their fiber helps with digestion, controlling blood sugar, and managing cholesterol. They're like tiny breakfast superheroes. Coming in at number 2, we've got the trusty apple. Eating an apple every day does more than just keep you away from the doctor. It's also super good for your kidneys. Apples are packed with fiber, which helps flush out waste from your body. This takes some of the pressure off your kidneys, letting them work more efficiently. What's cool about apples is they have this thing called pectin, a special type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol. Keeping your cholesterol in check is important for reducing the risk of kidney problems and keeping your blood pressure healthy. Plus, apples are low in potassium and have anti-inflammatory stuff, so they're a great addition to your breakfast spread. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, we've got pomegranates, the ultimate kidney champions. These guys are loaded with antioxidants that battle oxidative stress, which can lead to kidney issues. By fighting off inflammation and boosting nitric oxide levels, pomegranates keep your blood vessels healthy, which is super important for your kidneys to do their job right. They do have some potassium, so it's good to eat them in moderation, especially if you have kidney problems or dietary restrictions. Adding these fruits to your breakfast isn't just tasty, it's also a fun way to shake things up. Sprinkle some pomegranate seeds on your cereal, blend up some blueberries into your morning smoothie, or enjoy the crisp sweetness of an apple with your oatmeal. The possibilities are endless, and your kidneys will definitely thank you for it. But wait, there's more to discover. Hang tight as we uncover some additional fruits crucial for keeping our kidneys in tip-top shape, followed by a refreshing detox juice recipe featuring these fantastic fruits we've been talking about. Let's continue nurturing our kidneys for a healthier, happier life. Apples aren't just great because of their water and potassium content. They're also loaded with dietary fiber, which studies, like those published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, have shown can help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Fiber assists in getting rid of waste and prevents the formation of those pesky stones. Plus, apples contain antioxidants and natural goodies like flavonoids and polyphenols, which shield your kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. And let's not forget about the essential vitamins and minerals in apples, such as vitamins C, A, and K, which are super important for kidney and overall health. So, munching on apples isn't just yummy, but also a fantastic way to take care of your kidneys. Now let's talk about our number 1 contender, strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with benefits for kidney health. Loaded with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin C, strawberries give your kidneys some serious protection against oxidative stress. They even help with urine production, assisting in waste elimination and keeping your kidneys functioning smoothly. And thanks to the presence of ellagic acid, strawberries pack an extra punch with their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, further supporting kidney health. Snacking on strawberries is not only a tasty treat, but also a flavorful way to nourish your kidneys and boost overall well-being. Next up, we've got grapes taking the spotlight as our number 2 pick. Whether they're red, green, or black, grapes are fantastic for cleansing your kidneys and your entire body. With their high water content, grapes help support proper kidney function by aiding in waste removal. But what really sets grapes apart is their abundance of antioxidants, including flavonoids and resveratrol, which work wonders in lowering inflammation and safeguarding your kidneys from harm. Plus, grapes promote urine production thanks to their water and potassium content, which helps flush out toxins. They're also great for regulating blood pressure and are low in oxalates, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Research has even shown that the antioxidants in grapes can protect your kidneys and maintain urinary tract health, making them not just a tasty snack, but also a healthy choice for kidney care. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about cherries, our number 3 champion when it comes to natural kidney cleansing. Bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins, vitamin C, and flavonoids, cherries are like superheroes for your kidneys, swiftly removing toxins and waste to keep them functioning at their best. Their potassium content helps maintain fluid balance, electrolytes, and blood pressure, which are all essential for kidney health. Studies suggest that cherries can even lower uric acid levels, reducing the risk of kidney stones and improving conditions like gout. And the anthocyanins found in cherries? They may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, underscoring just how significant cherries are for kidney health. So, don't forget to include these delicious cherries in your diet for some serious kidney TLC. Number 4 on our list is cranberries, renowned for their bright red color and their role in kidney health and body cleansing. Cranberries possess unique qualities that make them particularly beneficial for kidney health. They contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent certain bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, thereby reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Moreover, cranberries contain citric acid, which inhibits the formation of kidney stones by preventing mineral clumping. Loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and other plant chemicals, cranberries combat oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting kidney function. They also promote urine production, aiding in waste elimination and toxin removal. Furthermore, the potassium in cranberries helps regulate blood pressure, and substances in cranberries maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, crucial for overall health. With their high vitamin C content, cranberries strengthen the immune system, protecting against infections. Enjoying cranberries not only adds flavor and color to your meals, but also provides a tasty way to support kidney health. Moving on to number 5, pineapples, with their juicy sweetness and vibrant yellow color, are fantastic for aiding kidney cleansing. They contain bromelain, an enzyme renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, which helps reduce swelling in the kidneys, promoting their health. Pineapples are also rich in vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that shields your kidneys from oxidative stress, preventing damage. Additionally, their high water content aids in toxin removal, ensuring well-hydrated and smoothly functioning kidneys. With a good source of manganese and fiber, pineapples support various body processes, including those vital for kidney health. Moreover, their moderate potassium content makes them safe for individuals needing to monitor their potassium intake due to kidney issues. Consuming pineapples isn't just a flavorful choice, but also a smart way to support and cleanse your kidneys. Number 6, blueberries are a superfood packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, benefiting kidney health. Studies have demonstrated their effectiveness in maintaining healthy blood pressure and protecting kidney function. Their flavonoids alleviate pressure on the kidneys and prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of UTIs. Moreover, blueberries are low in oxalates and may aid in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for diabetic individuals. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is not only delicious, but also beneficial for supporting kidney health. These fruits not only tantalize your taste buds, but also offer a myriad of benefits for kidney health. Incorporating them into your diet can contribute to maintaining optimal kidney function and overall wellness. Strawberries are more than just delicious. They're packed with nutrients that help protect your kidneys from inflammation and various kidney problems. Including strawberries in your diet isn't just enjoyable because they taste good. It's also a great way to keep your kidneys healthy. Number 7, watermelon isn't just a favorite summer treat. It's incredibly beneficial for keeping you hydrated, which is vital for kidney health. With its water content around 92%, watermelon plays a crucial role in facilitating proper kidney function by aiding toxin and waste removal. What's special about watermelon is its citrulline content, which helps produce arginine, a substance that relaxes and widens blood vessels, ensuring healthy blood flow to the kidneys. Additionally, watermelon's lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, protects the kidneys from damage by free radicals. So, enjoying a slice of watermelon isn't just a delight for your taste buds, but also a great way to stay hydrated and support your kidneys with beneficial nutrients. Number 8, papaya stands out for its sweet taste and numerous health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. It contains papain, a potent enzyme known for reducing inflammation. Papaya is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, A, folate, and dietary fiber. Vitamins A and C act as antioxidants, fighting harmful substances in the body that can damage cells, including those in the kidneys. Folate is crucial for kidney health, as it helps produce glutathione, another potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys. Adding papaya to your daily diet not only pleases your taste buds, but also boosts your body's defense against heart disease, kidney problems, and other health issues. It's evident that nature offers us a wealth of choices on our journey to kidney health. Each of these fruits tantalizes our taste buds while providing the essential nutrients our kidneys need. Remember, moderation is key, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially for those with specific health conditions. Now, for those who've been eagerly waiting, let's create that detox juice, a kidney cleansing elixir ready to refresh and rejuvenate. Here's what you'll need. 1. Core and slice an apple. 2. Grab a handful of juicy blueberries. 3. Take the seeds from half a pomegranate for that vibrant color. 4. Add a slice of watermelon for extra hydration. 5. Don't forget the ginger. A piece of fresh ginger adds zest and reduces inflammation. 6. Choose between water or coconut water for the perfect consistency. Coconut water adds a tropical twist. 7. Once you've gathered your ingredients, blend everything until smooth. If it's too thick, add a bit more water or coconut water. 8. Once blended, pour it into your favorite glass, garnish with a few pomegranate seeds or a mint leaf, and enjoy. This elixir isn't just divine in taste. It combines the detoxifying benefits of our top 3 fruits to give your kidneys a healthy boost. However, while this juice is a fantastic addition to a kidney-friendly diet, it's essential to remember that it's not a cure-all. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, engaging in regular exercise, and getting regular health checkups are essential for overall health and kidney vitality. If you enjoyed this video, please donate me to continue these videos in the form of subscribers.